Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nasuha, and today I will be presenting for Lab 6, which is Interrupt Timer and PWM in ARM Cortex-M3 Microcontroller LPC1768. My name is Nasuha, and my mention number is AE18014. My teammates are Nur Azmira binti Razali, AE18033, Putrina Nabila Ismail binti Isha, AE18049, and Ziknur Yasmin binti Kamil Zaman, AE18077. Today, I'll be presenting for Lab Assignment 6.3 and Lab Assignment 6.4. First, for Lab Assignment 6.3, I have to create a PWM signals with different duty cycles on PWM 1.1, PWM 1.2, and PWM 1.3. For PWM 1.1, it will be for 20% duty cycles. For PWM 1.2, it will be for 50% duty cycle, and PWM 1.3 is for 80% duty cycle. And then I will be observing the outputs at the logic analyzer. Okay, so here are the coding for Lab Assignment 6.3. I have built and debugged the program. So here are the logic analyzer, and I'll show the setup for the logic analyzer. So here, as we can see, there are three outputs. First is for port 2.0, and second is 2.1, and the last one is port 2.2. As you can see, the display range is from 0 to 1 for all of the ports. Okay. So after that, I will run. Okay. So it's quite. So I'm going to zoom in. So as you can see, the output varies, right? Now pause, stop. Okay. So as you can see here, these are the true output. So for the first one is at 20% duty cycle, and the second one is at 50% duty cycle, and the last one is at 80% duty cycle. Okay, so that's it for Lab Assignment 6.3. Next, I'm going to go to Lab Assignment 6.4. For Lab Assignment 6.4, I have to create a PWM signal that uses an analog signal on A 0 to vary the PWM duty cycle, where 0 volt will produce 0% duty cycle and 3 volt will produce 100% duty cycle. Okay, so here are the coding for Lab Assignment 6.4. I have already built and debugged the program. So here are the coding and here are the logic analyzer. So first of all, in order for us to set up the A-in value, we have to go to AD converter. Okay, so first we'll run it. So as you can see, if 0 volt, both of these value are at 0, right? But if we were to change the value here at 1, okay, so now we can see at A-in is at 1 volt, and here are at 50% duty cycle. So if you were to change it to 3 volts, okay, so if you were to change it to 3 volt, which is the maximum voltage, here we can see at the A-in it is 3 volt, and at the port 2 is at 100% duty cycle. So that's it for Lab Assignment 6.4. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.